Hello, kids! Today we will have a grammar test about adjectives. What is an adjective? An adjective is a describing word. It tells you more about a person, animal, place, or thing. Many adjectives come before a noun. Example: they live in a small house. Small is adjective. House is noun. Some adjectives come at the end of a sentence. Example: their house is small. House is noun. Small is adjective. Let's try this activity. Write the correct adjective on each sentence. You have 60 seconds, or you can pause the video to answer the activity. Are you ready? Let's begin. Well done! Now, let's check your answers. 1. They are happy children. 2. I have clean hands. 3. He is a strong man. 4. She has black hair. 5. The giraffe has a long neck. Let's try another activity. Encircle the adjective in the sentence. You have 60 seconds to answer, or you can pause the video and be back later to check your answers. Are you ready? Let's begin. Well done! Let's check your answers. Number 1. The pretty girl likes the dress. Pretty is the adjective. Number 2. I can see an old man. Old is an adjective. 3. There is a fat cat on the mat. Fat is adjective. 4. The cute baby is crying. Cute is adjective. 5. A black dog ran into the park. Black is an adjective. Our last activity is write the noun on the blank. You have 60 seconds to answer, or you can pause the video and be back later to check your answers. Are you ready? Let's begin. Well done! Let's check your answers. Red apple, tall tree, cold weather, sharp knife, loud music. Well done, everyone! We will see you next time. Goodbye!